Most editors think if something is technically correct, it must be good. But correctness is not the goal. Watch this moment. You've done this before. You finish an edit and it's clean. The cuts are smooth and nothing feels off. So you think this is good. But clearly the edit is not doing anything. And this is because most editors don't chase impact or usefulness. They chase correctness. Let's get into it. Okay, this is what most people are working with. But first, let's set the story up. This is the story of an old Nepalese dumpling technique. Apparently, it's been lost. There are no written instructions, only fragments of how it was once made. It was once said the perfect dumpling could determine status, skill, or even acceptance. But the method has disappeared. Alright, let's start editing. This is the perfect version. Everything is technically correct. The pacing is balanced. It's not too fast and not too slow. Okay, look at this. The cuts land cleanly. There are no overlaps and no confusions. The audio flows smoothly. All cuts connect each moment and nothing feels abrupt. Now let's watch it together. Every pause that might feel awkward is removed. Also, the music is timed precisely. Every shift and every beat lines up. And every small imperfection and mistake is gone. Now let's watch it once more. Everything works. Nothing distracts you or challenges you. And that's why it feels good, but empty. There's nothing wrong here, and that's the problem. This edit removes friction. It's smooth, controlled, and easy to watch. But it also removes pressure. Look at this sequence. Without pressure, attention drifts. And this is what most people aim for. Clean timelines, smooth cut, and no mistakes. And if you are honest, this probably looks like your edit. You've been removing every imperfection thinking you are making it better. But you are also removing the only moment that make people pay attention. Now let's move to version 2. This is the useful version, and technically it's worse. I leave in a pause most editors would cut. It feels a bit off. Look here, I cut a bit earlier than it feels natural. So the moment doesn't fully resolve. And that's intentional. Now let's watch this sequence. I also keep a slight timing imperfection. Not enough to break the flow, but just enough to make you notice something changed. And the music doesn't guide everything. Sometimes it comes late and sometimes not at all. Watch this moment. I don't fully resolve it. I let it hang. This version isn't as clean, but it grabs more attention. Now let's watch it together. This one is technically worse and far more effective because this edit is doing something the first one didn't. It's changing how you feel. And you are not just watching, you are also reacting. This pause makes you slightly uncomfortable, and this early cut makes you complete the moment yourself. It's subtle, but your brain is now involved. An edit doesn't exist to be correct. It exists to do something to the viewer. Create tension, confuse them briefly, or delay satisfaction. So if nothing is felt and nothing shifts, the edit is useless. Look at this sequence. If your edit is perfectly clean and perfectly correct, they might also be perfectly forgettable. When editors say perfect, they usually mean no jump cut, no clipping, smooth pacing, and clean audio with consistent color. But none of that guarantees someone to keep watching, because perfection is invisible to the viewer. Because technique is measurable and usefulness isn't, so we hide behind specs, rules, and best practices. But viewers don't reward correctness, they reward feeling. So, which version made you feel something? Version A or version B? Let me know in the comments. My name is Law, and see you in the next video.